Morning, guys. Buenos dias. Happy Friday. Yeah, I'm here on Friday. I told you guys I was gonna be here, so I'm trying my best. If I skip one day during the week, I'll be back on Friday. So I'm feeling those days on Friday. So I can do at least 4 streams per week. Hopefully we have a nice price action today, at least in the morning. Yesterday, I told you guys, the market, it looked like it wanted to go back to previous day's highs or pre-market highs, and that's what the market did. The problem is that the market, it's been crazy choppy in the morning and it's making its move in the afternoons. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. Sorry for the music being too loud. It should be okay now. I just wake up like doing something like that music gives me energy. I'm kind of hyper today. And it's not the coffee. Okay, so that's food. Our levels, like always, we have previous day highs, lows, pre-market highs, and lows. Damn. I didn't realize that we were at all-time highs. We're making new all-time highs. What a gap up. That's insane. I told you guys yesterday, I told you that I thought the market was gonna go back to all-time highs. Ooh, okay. So we had data at 10. I think we also have the new Fed head speaking at 10. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I think, let me see if I can find that out. Is these all-time highs? Oh no, we're not at all-time highs. What am I talking about? We're not. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me see. Okay, we definitely should have some resistance here. We're definitely very bullish. AMD ripping. My shares are happy. Remember when AMD was going lower non-stop and everyone was complaining and selling and I told you guys that I was buying? Yeah, now it's almost double. Yeah, advanced money destroyer. Okay, so I'm ready with my levels. Let me see if my copy trading, if TradeSync it's gonna work or is working. Okay, everything's working. How did I lose money if I went long with one micro and the market is moving higher? I lost almost $8 there. Okay, so we have pre-market highs holding on NQ. Let's see if we can really hold. You're done for the day? That fast? Whoa. Go enjoy your weekend. Bye, see you on Monday. Okay. So crazy bullish move at open just like yesterday. I know, where is the pullback? I'm waiting for it to. Yeah, of course. I have a alert on Meta and Microsoft gaps. There's a bunch of gaps everywhere that I have alerts on. But yeah, I do want to play swing trade Meta and Microsoft. Microsoft is not even near the gap. Meta, I don't know, Meta it's having a lot of trouble filling that gap. It's been moving on a range for a month now. Over a month, I think. Yeah, I want to see like a strong daily hold above 620. Yes. Eee. What was that? Okay. I don't like the price action inside that candle, but this hold is not looking too bad. I definitely want to see NQ holding around here. I also would love to see ES holding support. quick 400 on that. Yeah, I do like this NQ hold. I don't like the price action here. A strong hold here on ES would be nice. File 509. Yeah. I don't know, I'm being extra careful here. I don't like this price action. I will prefer like a bigger pullback here to play the upside continuation. We are very close to all-time highs. Nvidia's pulling back. Apple is holding pretty good. SMH is holding the VWAP. At least trying. Ooh. Is this a rejection play? Ooh, I'm late. I'm gonna try a reaction play here on ES. I entered, I think, too late. I was only able to buy 2 micros. Yeah, kinda like this reaction here. My Friday, most of my Fridays I'm red. That's why I don't trade Fridays. I don't love how it keeps holding here. I like it for a reaction. I don't love how we're not having continuation to the downside. It's holding too good there. Well, we'll see. It's definitely a risky play. Yeah, look at this price action. I don't like this price action. We have SPY and QQQ holding the VWAP. That is no bueno for me. Oh yeah, we had data at 10. So if I don't see a big move to the downside, I might have to get out of my trade before 10. Fridays are for pickleball and mojitos. Yeah. Sadly, when I pressed sale, it was when we had like a move down, so my entry was really bad and was only able to buy 2. I didn't want to add more because my stop loss is too far from my entry. Also, I don't love how much we're fighting this. Okay. SPY and QQQ is starting to have trouble with the VWAP. That's bueno for me. Yeah. These 30-minute candles are looking ugly. Look at this NQ 30-minute candle. Don't like my entry, so I'm gonna have a very small, even though I have a very small position, I don't like how we're holding here. I don't like my entry, so I'm gonna put my stop loss very close to my entry, because I don't love this trade, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't love this trade. I don't love this trade. One, because I'm going against the trend. So if I want to go against the trend, it should be like a quick scalp. with most likely a bigger position, but I'll be out already, right? So that's 1. 2, I don't like how SPY and QQQ are holding the VWAP. 3, I don't like my entry. 4, I don't know if I already said that, but I don't like how the market is fighting this downtrend. So we'll see. I do like this reaction here. We just need a Trump tweet. I don't know. Trump tweets multiple times are very bullish. For him, everything's always fantastic. Everything's going great. We're winning the war. I wish I have the belief he has on himself. I wish I had that. If I were like that, I'll be making like 100K daily, but the next day I'll be losing everything. Would you rather hear president cry and complain all the time? No. I just think it's funny. Am I going to compete on anything? No. I don't like competition on trading. That doesn't help me that doesn't make me a better trader. It could make me a famous trader influencer. I probably should have gone with NQ. NQ is definitely weaker than ES. SMH and Apple are holding the VWAP. They both look like they're consolidating on a bull flag. So why it's the Q weak? Let me check that. So Microsoft, that's an ugly candle on Microsoft. Microsoft's weak. Meta, it's kind of weak also. Amazon too. Nvidia. Nvidia very, very weak. Okay, so it's Nvidia. Nvidia had nice earnings, but it keeps going lower. SPY and QQQ both keep holding the VWAP. That is bullish. Oh, data is out. I forgot about that. Can the market just die for a little bit, just for me? Just for me. There you go. Go lower. Too loud. I put it lower, the music now. Let me see if it's really loud or you guys are too old for this.
I'm not even tripping on it, but
Yeah, the music is fine. Okay, we're going lower. Yikes. We have bad news. Okay, the market can die now. Come on. Give me the gap. If I can have the gap here, that will be awesome. Don't hold here. I want to see ES losing today's lows, or I don't know, new morning low here. Remember to like the video, guys. Help me with that. Everyone is complaining about YouTube because the views are down a lot. Like a lot. Across all the accounts for everyone. We got a nice trade. I only need ES to lose this little support here. And then the next one is gonna be here. Can we have this entire move, please? Oh, that's weird. You guys, if you guys are on my Discord, you don't need to pay for that. Like every time I post a video, it goes straight to my Discord notification. So I think this level here is a good level to take profits if you are on this trade. Honestly, if I had a bigger position, I would be probably all out, or maybe mostly of my position out already. I'm kind of playing with fire here. I just really want to see if we're gonna lose this little support here. Okay. I want to sell one. Yeah. Okay. Moving my stop loss lower. Let's see if we can have more downside. Come on, keep going lower. My levels were based on the 30-minute time frame. But basically, if you're using 4 levels only, previous high, low, pre-market high and low, it doesn't matter where you look at those levels, those levels are gonna be the same. Okay, I don't want to see that hold here. I put my stop loss a little bit above here. If we have a strong hold here on both ES and NQ, 5 minutes hold with a long wick at the bottom, most likely we're gonna have a strong push to the upside. Okay, I got stop out there. Okay. Not a bad day. I made a little bit under 4K on that trade. Copy trading with multiple accounts. And I think I'm done. I'll be here for a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades, but I do want to see if we're gonna go back down to pre-market lows. Maybe I take a trade there. And I got a fake out there, stop out for nothing, maybe. Who knows? Yeah, V, for me, it's all about consistency. I'm not looking for huge days. Like, you guys see how much you can make if you only take... If you erase all your bad days, the days that you blow up your account because of FOMO, because not being patient, you're gonna have so much money at the end of the month. Like, this is my month so far without today, and I don't have the data for the first week. I'm up 58K this month, and I didn't trade past Tuesday. I didn't trade this Wednesday. I didn't take any trades on Tuesday, on Wednesday this week. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days trading in a month. I just go for base hits. I do my best to take A+ setups. I'm not gonna say my trade today was an A+ setup, because everything that I told you guys when I was holding here, I didn't love this trade, mostly because I felt like I had a really bad entry. And I didn't want to go against the overall trend, which is bullish. Oh yeah, yesterday was 29K, over 29K. So with today, I'll be up like 61K, no more, 62K for the month. I want to see if I can do 100K for the month, but at the same time, I don't want to push it. And we only have 4 more trading days, right? The next week, we only have next week, yeah. Monday, the market is closed. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, 4 days next week. I don't think I'll be able to make 40K. Well, who knows? I'm not gonna say no, but I'm gonna say yes, but I'm not gonna push it. If I do it, awesome. How many accounts? I think I have 35 accounts. I think I have 35 or 25 right now, copy trading at the same time. Like today's trade, I have... Oh, today I'm copy trading with 30 accounts. Yeah, 30 accounts today. Sometimes I'm copy trading with 40, other times 30, other times 35. It depends if I'm close for a payout. I don't want to risk my money on a trade, so I don't trade those accounts. If I'm able to apply for payment. Friday's back on the menu. I don't know. don't like this price action today. I think I got a little bit lucky with bad news coming out, maybe helping me with my trade, I don't know. So yeah, this price action is no bueno. Have you guys noticed how the price action is changing? Last month, it was so easy to make money. This month, well, I will say the past couple of days, it's been very choppy. I think that's an indication that the market's a little bit tired. Yes, we made a really nice gap up today, but I still think based on this price action that the market's a little bit tired. I think the next opportunity is gonna be if we see a pullback to pre-market lows. I think that's the next possible good trade, and that will be the gap fill on both ES and NQ. How long does it take me to pass accounts? I don't waste my time on evals. I like passing my accounts if I can in one or 2 days. It depends of the price action, because let's just say I want to pass 20 accounts today. That wouldn't be smart at all because the price action is ugly. But if I see an easy setup, I will try to pass all my accounts. So that's gonna be depending on the price action. So to pass an eval fast, I don't force my trades. What I do is I wait for a really good setup and I go just heavier in size. That's it. Yes, bigger size, just wait for a good setup. That's it. But if you're having trouble getting payout, if you're having trouble passing eval, if you're not a profitable trader, I do not recommend that, because I do not want you to pass those bad habits into funded accounts. Because it doesn't matter if you pass an account, let's just say you pass 20 accounts going super heavy and you pass them in 1 day. What's gonna happen is you're gonna get those 20 funded accounts You're gonna spend your money on evals, funded, and then you're gonna blow up your accounts the next day. Your funded accounts the next day. So the better thing you can do is just trade good setups. Forget about passing an account, forget about the rules, forget about everything. Just trade good setups. Don't even think about if it is an eval or funded. Just wait, patiently wait for good setups. It's what's gonna really make the difference on your trading. Understanding the difference between easy market, easy mode market, and difficult market is also very important. Like price action, really understanding price action is very important. So the price action the past few days have been not easy at all. So what I've been doing is I'm trading with smaller size, because I understand that if I enter a trade, I kind of have to give it a bigger stop loss because we're having big candlesticks. And so if you don't give it a bigger stop loss, most likely you're gonna get fake out, and then the trade's gonna go in your favor. So I had a bad entry today. I didn't love the setup, but I knew what I was trading. I was trading this reaction. Oopsie. I knew that was my stop loss. I only entered 2 ES micros. That's a very, very small size. And I also knew what I wanted to see for that trade to work out. I knew I needed like a bigger move to the downside for that trade to work out, because I only entered with 2 micros, so I only made like $127 per account with a big move. Like I caught this move here. Yeah, sadly I got a stop out on this BS candle here, but really nice read of the market today. That is sad. I think, yeah, like I said before, I think the move down here to pre-market lows could be the next good opportunity for a trade, a bounce or a reaction. Because that's the next big level. This is not the low on ES, but I do think it can give us a good either bounce or reaction. Right there. See, when you break your rules, you lose money. And if you put all your data in Tradezilla and you take out all the days that you did, that you know you did something stupid, you'll see the huge difference on your P&L. Like, we know what we're doing wrong. We just need to stop doing that. I know it sounds very simple. It's not that easy. It's not that easy, it's very simple. Simple, not easy. Day 22 of being green? Awesome! That's awesome! 22 days of green? That's not easy! Congrats! You just needed to stop trading NQ. I just suck at it. You know what you need to do? Stop watching it. That's it. Do not have it on your screen, NQ. We gotta make our things easier for ourselves. Let's just say I wanna lose weight. I need to stop buying cookies if I wanna lose weight. Because if I have cookies in my house, I'm gonna eat them. Oh, he's talking a little bit. So don't give up the cookies. You are trading ES any different than NQ? I do prefer to trade ES. I think it's way easier to trade ES. I have less stress when I trade ES. Most of the time, ES is like very, like, I will say, it respect the levels, it respect the I don't know, I find it easier to read. NQ, it's a little bit more jumpy, so most of the time I trade ES, but if I see NQ respecting my levels, I go with NQ. I just go with a smaller size, then I trade ES. So if I'm trading ES micros, I can buy up to 10 micros. With NQ, I buy max 5 or 4 if I want to go a little bit heavier. But I will say everything depends on the price action. Like, I went short on ES. I should have gone with NQ because NQ was weaker than ES. Like, if I see both going to my levels, pre-market lows, most likely if I want to play a bounce, I will go with ES because ES is a little stronger than NQ today. It's not like never, it's just like depends of the account size that you're using and the price action. Like, guys, trading is not like 100% I do this, I don't do this. No, it's just like it depends of how is the market moving. Again, if the market is on easy mode, you can go heavier with your trades. If the market is choppy, there's no reason for me to go heavier on my trades. There's no reason for me to look for a bigger move. It's all about price action. I kind of said like market is like the weather in Miami. No, I think market like the weather. Like if you see that it's a little bit cloudy, you might think it's gonna rain. Maybe, right? Not 100% sure, but it may. Maybe it's gonna rain. And then sometimes you have a lot of sun, very sunny day, and then an hour later you have a storm. If you live here in Miami, it's like that. Hey, the market is starting to chop too much around here. I wanted to see a faster move to the downside to pre-market lows. I'm done, guys. I will see you back on Tuesday because the market is closed on Monday. So I might trade Friday also next week because it's only a 4 days week. Maybe I trade Fridays also next week. Excuse me. So yeah, nice trade, beautiful day here in Miami. So I'm gonna go enjoy my weekend. I'll see you guys back next week. Thank you for being here. Bye.